about that
What
matter
did
is it
What
true?
did you say? How
It's basically
are
confirmed.
you?
Rest assured, if they really committed a crime, they won't escape
How are
legal
you
sanctions.
cooked with this,
Okay.
bro?
I
Okay.
want to discuss something with you.
Okay,
Now I feel uncomfortable at Shengshi.
Yeah, he died.
Everyone
too.
knows about our relationship.
One thing.
I don't want
that
others to
kills
look at me as
Bro.
then you can just
Okay,
as a
that's
full-time
helpful.
housewife.
No,
Yes.
I want to work too, to realize my own value.
Hey yo.
Then
What?
I'll arrange a position for you in the subsidiary. I'll have Zhang Shenhe take you to start work one day. So you
I
know
don't
your boss.
understand you.
This way, nobody will know about you and our relationship.
Say what?
Thank you. Shen Ming.
Yes. Let's go.
Tell me what
Okay, he's cooked.
You haven't passed
Yes,
the
he's-
probation period yet.
He thinks he's giggling. I know. What? What?
Be careful.
Jiang Luo, I heard from Ming Zhou that
Choose
you're
some
pregnant.
more thing.
Yes,
Bro,
it's been a month and a half.
That's
Yes,
great.
actually,
What does that
Giggle.
mean? It means our Sheng family.
he's actually still annoying. I know. Daddy.
Sheng family.
Too
Will
cool.
prosper with offspring. You, my daughter-in-law, suddenly
Flirty,
blessed
yeah.
our family with 6 babies
Flirty.
at once.
Yes,
I'm carrying twins or triplets.
You know, not to
that would
grumble.
be even more
I almost got infected, bro.
Mom, twins are not that easy to have, but I think sister-in-law doesn't even need prenatal care.
But it seems I might be carrying twins this time.
Hey, yo, bro.
It's really twins.
Yes,
No way. Why didn't you tell me about such an important matter?
Yo, because you go behind and oh, you're too cheap.
Ming Zhou, don't scare the baby in your belly.
What is that?
This is really a double blessing.
Is that a big bacon or a blood rush? I don't know what is
You can
this.
get the marriage certificate. That's the only way. to
Why
continue
is there
the family.
cheese on the ground, bro?
Grandma, young people nowadays shouldn't just register without having a wedding ceremony. There should still
Why
be some sense of ceremony.
So
My mother
yeah.
hasn't even proposed to Jiang Luo.
That's right. That's right.
So,
My brother might not even be
okay,
able to marry
that's
Jiang
1,000
Luo.
of
So the
figures.
probation period isn't over yet, right?
Why?
Propose. Daddy,
Why the cameras?
They say on TV you have to kneel when proposing.
Not
And
to
you need a ring.
gets the line.
You have one? Jungman, don't you have a toy ring? I'll get it.
Yeah, that's kind of sad.
Let's go get it together.
Sure, Yi is right. You can't just get married without anything.
Why is
We need both a proposal and a wedding, and they have to be grand.
Okay, I'll get ready right away. I'll make sure our future Mrs. Shen is satisfied.
last time it wasn't doors?
Our family
Oh.
now is lively.
Still doors.
I want to live a few more years. Ming Zhou, you have to prepare quickly.
Bro,
Everything has to be perfect.
what he ate?
Got it, Grandma.
Okay. Why does he have a tent, bro?
Start working at the branch.
If you leave now,
I
you'll
know.
miss out big time. President Sheng said he's getting married soon. And he's giving everyone in the company white lies 10-000 in red envelopes.
Yeah.
There are 10,000 people in the company. Will his red envelopes be in it?
Yeah,
This
me
is just
too. I
our CEO.
also got a
The
holder.
rest have already been distributed. This one's yours.
Check. Okay. Look, bro. Yeah, I know that. Stop saying that.
Will you marry me?
Yo. Oh.
Are you going to propose just
Okay,
like
that's the
this?
end of.